students, in this video we are going to solve x square plus 4 times x square divided by x plus 2 whole square. This is equals to 5, and here we will find out the value of x. X square plus 4 times x square is same as 2 times x bracket power 2 and divide by x plus 2 bracket power 2, and this is equals to 5. Now we know that a power m divided by b power m, this is equals to a over b bracket power m. If we apply this rule here, then x square plus 2 times x divided by x plus 2 bracket power 2, and this is equals to 5. Now if we apply substitution, then if we substitute x is equals to a and 2 times x divided by x plus 2, this is equals to b, then in left hand side a square plus b square, this is equals to 5. So here a square plus b square, and this is equals to 5. Now a square plus b square, this is equals to 5, and here if we subtract 2 times ab plus 2 times ab, then look carefully this expression, this is same as a minus b whole square plus 2 times ab, and this is equals to 5. Value of a is x, so here x minus, and value of b is 2 times x divided by x plus 2 bracket power 2 plus 2 times a is replaced by x and b is replaced by 2 times x over x plus 2, and this is equals to 5. Now x, and here denominator is x plus 2, so if we multiply by x plus 2 and divide by x plus 2 minus 2 times x over x plus 2 bracket power 2 plus 2 times x into 2 times x, that is 4 times x square divided by x plus 2, and this is equals to 5. Here this x is multiplied by x, then we get x square, and this x is multiplied by 2, then we get 2 times x. So here x square plus 2 times x and divide by x plus 2 and minus 2 times x over x plus 2 bracket power 2, and then here plus 4 times x square over x plus 2, and this is equals to 5. Now here denominator is x plus 2 and in numerator x square plus 2 times x minus 2 times x bracket power 2 plus 4 times x divided by x plus 2, and this is equals to 5. Now this 2 times x and this 2 times x is cancelled out because this is positive and this is negative. Now x square over x plus 2 bracket power 2 plus here square 4 times x square over x plus 2, and this is equals to 5. Now again if we substitute x square over x plus 2, this is equals to m, then m square plus 4 times m, this is equals to 5. If we take all the expression in same side, then m square plus 4 times m minus 5, this is equals to 0. If we factorize this quadratic, then here m square 4 times m is same as 5 times m minus 5, this is equals to 0. Look carefully these two terms, if we take common m, then here m plus 5, and here if we take common -1, then m plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Now m plus 5 and this m plus 5 is common. If we take m plus 5 is common, then m minus 1 and this is equals to 0. Now product of two algebraic expression, this is equals to 0, so we can say m plus 5, this is equals to 0, m minus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here value of m is minus 5 and here value of m is 1. We have two possible values of m is equals to minus 5 and m is equals to 1. Now we know that m is x square over x plus 2. So this m is replaced by x square over x plus 2. This is equals to minus 5 and here this m is replaced by x square over x plus 2 and this is equals to 1. If we multiplied both sides x plus 2, then in left hand side x square, this is equals to minus 5 is multiplied by x plus 2. Then x square, this is equals to minus 5x minus 10. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square plus 5 times x plus 10, this is equals to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Then value of a is 1 and value of b is 5 and value of c is 10, and we know that quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac and divide by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus b is replaced by 5 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 5, then 5 square is 25 minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 10 and divide by 2 times a, and we know that value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 40, that is minus 15 divided by 2. Then x is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 15 is same as square root of 15 times iota divided by 2. Here two imaginary solutions. Now look carefully these terms, x square over x plus 2, this is equals to 1. If we multiplied both sides x plus 2, then x square, this is equals to x plus 2. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus x minus 2, this is equals to 0. Now factorize this quadratic. Then here x square minus 2 times x plus x minus 2, this is equals to 0. Look carefully these two terms. If we take common out x, then x minus 2, and here if we take common out 1, then here x minus 2 and this is equals to 0. Now x minus 2 is common. If we take x minus 2 is common, then x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Now product of two expression, this is equals to 0, so we can say x minus 2, this is equals to 0, or x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Then value of x is 2 and here value of x is minus 1. So we have two real solutions and two imaginary solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.